Welcome back to another daily doodle session. This is part 6 of drawing different shapes, snowflakes, and today is actually going to be the last day of doing that. Tomorrow we'll start with something different. So, unlike these last days, we're going to start with a circle in the middle. But after this, it's actually not too different to what we've been doing before. So we'll just make a cross, but just try and leave that middle part blank. And again, we'll just add lines in between as well. Try and make the lines about the same sort of length, more or less. Doesn't have to be perfect, of course. Okay, I think, yeah, let's go with these. So when you get to this point, maybe let's pick this line that ended up a little bit longer than expected. So what we're going to do, we're gonna kind of just line up every other line about there. Right. So what we're going to try and do, we're gonna start here and go about that high up. So we're going to end up with a star shape. And let's do the last one as well. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to add diamond shapes to these. And we've got one more. Right. So when you get to this point, we're going to work on these remaining lines here. So start with slightly longer lines. And then we're just going to decrease the size of them. We're going to do 4 of these. Right, at this point, we're just going to finish our drawing with circles on the end of these lines. And we'll just do the last one as well. Alright, there we go. That's today's snowflake, the last one of the series, and I hope to see you again with something new tomorrow.